Bullish Alcx cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $91.15 and $198.50 by 2030. Market investigators accept Alcx could reach $91.15 by 2025. Bearish Alcx market cost expectation for 2022 is $16.20. Alcx presentation. Scoopy Trouples is going by a gathering of mysterious designers who fabricated Alcx. The stage was presented in February 2021. From that point forward, the group has fostered another vault where clients can store ETH and fabricate LTH tokens with a collateralization proportion of no less than 400%. Not long after the ETH vault send-off, there was an occurrence when clients had the option to pull out their guarantee without repaying their credits, causing a deficiency of in excess of 2,200 ETH. To recover the greater part of the lost ETH, the Alcx group laid out a mission to urge clients to do as such in return for exceptional NFT and Alcx grants. Alcx is devoted to decentralization and plans to change itself into a DAO run completely by the local area by carrying out completely on-chain administration. Later on, a level of the convention's general yield will be moved to the DAO depository to pay engineers and long-lasting faculty for the convention's extension and upkeep. What is Alcx? Alcx Money is an organization for future yield-supported engineered materials and an aggregate DAO. Through a fake symbolic that addresses a fungible case on any basic guarantee in the Alcx convention, the stage or strategy gives headways in a client's yield cultivating. There are 4 essential parts to Alcx. Alcx DAO, token dispersion, transmuter, and vaults. The vault fills in as the point of convergence for delivering yield headways. Comparative loaning frameworks, for example, AAVE and MakerDAO are equivalent to it. The transmuter allows individuals to take a chance with their manufactured qualities, hence changing over them into their fundamental assets. By making an engineered form of their DAI insurance and utilizing various techniques to attach the counterfeit token to the saved resource, the stage empowers clients to get propels on their yield. Likewise, the insurance will work and produce pay for long money organization. Alcx specialized investigation. Using quantitative pointers to evaluate factual patterns and gauge cost-bearing in the cryptographic money market is known as specialized examination. One might take a gander at verifiable value developments and volume information to comprehend what the market works and figure how it will mean for future cost changes. Specialized examination procedures assess the digital money markets and pinpoint exchanging open doors through value developments and examples apparent on graphs. The famous energy oscillator, the general strength file, can decide if a digital currency is overbought or oversold. The Alcx market is nonpartisan, as the RSI perusing is 43.80. Versatile midpoints. The moving normal is viewed as perhaps of the most famous pointer in all business sectors. MAS are used as specialized examination and exchanging pointers, independently and in blend with different files like Bollinger groups. The moving typical measures the cost at which a resource has exchanged over a predetermined period, similarly as its name suggests. This can take the state of an dramatic moving normal, which gives the latest costs more weight, or an essential moving normal, which is a direct math normal. Alcx token central examination. While the central examination does the inverse. Dealers use graphical investigation to zero in on a resource's presentation as often as possible down to the moment on exchanging outlines. Exchanging has developed definitely. The principal objective of central examination is to decide an article's inborn worth. For instance, consider a few interior and outer variables when it is exaggerated or underestimated to pick whether a digital currency. To figure Alcx cost, take a gander at what the task has achieved or expects to achieve soon. Long-haul brokers plan their buys and deals of Alcx around key occasions by staying aware of information about the cash and making different forecasts. Contribute on individuals, not items, says the aphorism. Basically, this citation catches the hidden investigation. Alcx current cost. Alcx is as of now worth $20.26 USD. Alcx is as of now positioned 460 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $31,236,487 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Alcx to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Alcx Value Forecast 2022. Alcx, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Alcx cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $30.38. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $28.36 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Alcx is supposed to have a base worth of $24.31. Alcx Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Alcx Alcx cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Alcx will before long outperform $50.64. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Alcx's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Alcx will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $40.51 and a typical exchanging cost of $44.56. Alcx Value Expectation 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $70.89 and Alcx might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Alcx is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $64.82 and a low of $60.77 in 2024. Alcx Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Alcx effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the Alcx coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Alcx will be green in 2025. The Alcx is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $91.15, with a base cost of $81.02 and a typical cost of $85.07. Alcx Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Alcx cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $105.33 by 2026, with a base cost of $101.28 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Alcx has a most extreme value worth of $111.40. Alcx Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $125.58. In the event that Alcx figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $131.66. Neglecting to assemble the help Alcx needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $121.53. Alcx Value Forecast 2028. While Alcx is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $141.79 and a yearly cost close above $151.92 in 2028. Alcx Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Alcx will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $162.04 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of